Some fully vaccinated people are now wondering if they need another dose of their COVID-19 vaccine.
Yeah, it comes after the state reported 6% of new infections are in fully vaccinated people.
CBS 17's Judith Ratana sorting through where this conversation on boosters stands today. Judith.
Yes, this is the state's COVID-19 dashboard graph on vaccinations since they became available. And you can see a pretty consistent drop in them since our peak in early April. It's part of the reason public health experts say we need to make sure people are getting their initial doses rather than the boosters right now.
This virus has no incentive to let up, and it remains in search of the next vulnerable person to infect.
At times, those vulnerable people are fully vaccinated but immunocompromised.
There is no reason to believe right now that people who have taken the J&J vaccine are in need of a booster dose of any sort. There are no data to indicate that that is the case.
UNC infectious disease expert Dr. David Wohl says we can't totally rule it out for the future.
I don't think it's going to be a tremendously huge number of people, but I think there'll be a subset of the population for whom vaccination with the standard doses doesn't work.
A meeting of the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices discussed a potential third dose from Moderna and Pfizer recipients. Data presented shows 44% of hospitalized breakthrough cases are in immunocompromised people. Studies are finding 33 to 50% of immunocompromised people who didn't build up protection after their second dose did get protection after a third dose.
Talk of boosters should not dissuade anyone from right now getting their initial vaccine.
Dr. Wohl says right now we need to make sure people are getting baseline protection with the current dosing. So far, none of the vaccine manufacturers are requesting authorization for an additional dose.
Boosters are like the cherry on top of a sundae. You need the sundae. It's the penthouse on top of a building. You need the building.
To get rates up even more, the White House today announced they were going to be opening up FEMA-run mobile vaccine clinics here in North Carolina. DHHS tells me those are going to be scheduled in the western part of the state. Judith Ratana, CBS 17 News.
All right, Judith, thanks so much.
Well, the future of Raleigh and challenges from the pandemic were the center of talks today.